Hi, today I'm giving you a very interesting speech and presentation. As you can see here, this is very important. Can you see this? This is very important. I need you to focus on this. Hi, my name is Tarek. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Learn Public Speaking Academy. As a great communicator, you need to have the skills to engage your audience. And one of the simplest ways that you can engage your audience is by having eye contact. But you shouldn't have eye contact for more than 3 seconds. So this is what you do next time you're giving a speech, presentation, or pitch. You find somebody in the audience that is smiling, that is nice looking. You look at that person for 3 seconds, and then you move on to the next, and the next, and the next, and the next. And then you go back again, and you always have the eye contact with your audience. Don't look above them, behind them, and don't look down, up, or anywhere else. This is how you can engage your audience with a very simple trick. If you want to learn more, join us at the next event where you will learn the core public speaking skills. You will learn how to build confidence, how to organize your speeches so you can remember them easily, how to reveal them and engage with your audience, and last but not least, how to elevate your communication and leadership skills and take it to the next level.